Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I'm diving into the ultimate weight loss battle, coffee versus tea. Both of these popular beverages have some awesome benefits, but which one's going to help you shed those pounds faster? Let's break it down. First up, coffee. The caffeine in coffee can give your metabolism a little nudge, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Plus, it's known to suppress appetite, making you feel fuller for longer. And there's even some evidence that coffee can help break down fat. Sounds pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk tea. Especially green tea, which is packed with antioxidants. These bad boys help reduce inflammation and boost your overall health. Like coffee, tea can also give your metabolism a slight increase, and certain types of tea can help regulate your appetite hormones, making it easier to control those cravings. But here's the kicker. Moderation is key. Drinking too much of either can lead to some not-so-great side effects. Stick to plain varieties and avoid loading up on sugar, cream, or other high-calorie additives. And don't forget to stay hydrated with plenty of water. Remember, both coffee and tea can be great additions to a healthy diet and regular exercise routine. It's not about picking one over the other, but finding what works best for you. If you've got any specific health concerns, definitely chat with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. So coffee or tea, the choice is yours. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Catch you in the next one. Peace.